Hey guys, it's Kevin here from Formula Performance. Today we got a little bit of a product review. We're going to replace the H-pipe on this 1988 Mustang GT with SMR. It's basically a catless H-pipe. Here's the info on the company. This pipe costs roughly $350 shipped with tax to your door. We're going to replace the pace setter pipe that is currently on the Mustang. We'll take a quick look in the box. The box we opened up previously, it's a three-piece unit, center section right here, and we have two down pipes. Pretty typical of the H-pipe, but this system is unique that it's a three-piece instead of a two-piece system, and also sometimes the H part of the section here actually has a clamp on it, and this one it is welded together. You guys don't have to put any clamps on it. It does not have any provisions for a smog pump. Most of the time, guys, if you're not running cats, you don't have to worry about the smog pump. It does have provisions for your O2s. Take a look at this other pipe here. Same idea. They're high up. Hopefully they don't hit the cross member. That's an issue that we have with the pace setter pipe, that the O2 on the passenger side is basically right up against the cross member, the engine cross member, and it's rubbing. It's actually going to rub through the wiring. We're going to replace some of the O2 sensors today. Okay guys, we got the old pace setter pipe out. It's a H pipe. As you can see, we had to modify it slightly to make it fit. We removed one of these hangers from the other side because we could not get the passenger side pipe to line up. Even after cutting it and trying to reclock it with a sleeve here, still wouldn't line up. Poorly made pipe. We'd like Pace Setter to actually reach out to us and see what they're doing about this problem. I believe it's not unique to us. These pipes do not fit well. This car has BBK shorty headers on it, which mimic the factory style header that's on the car stock. These pipes do not fit well. And one of the this issue here with the sensor, the O2 sensor actually runs right up against the subframe, and we're actually afraid it's going to rub through the wires. This pipe's been on for roughly 2 years, maybe 500 miles on the car after 2 years, and it's pretty obvious. The passenger side never sealed correctly. You could see that it was leaking from the top and the bottom, and poorly made pipe. We'd actually be surprised if Pace Setter reaches out and contacts us. I know there's only a few options left for people running shorty headers on their 5.0 Mustangs, but this is not a pipe that you want to buy, guys. We'll let you know how the new pipe goes on and our thoughts about it. Alright, here we have the two pipes side by side. We got the SMR pipe on the left here, and this Pace Setter pipe on the right. As you can tell, the SMR pipe is a three-piece design, and the Pace Setter is a two-piece design. SMR was nice enough to include a hardware kit with their pipe. Looks like a complete kit to bolt the pipe back onto the car. Guys, that's the information for SMR right there. We'll leave a link in the description. Looks like a comprehensive bolt, nut, and washer kit. System installed from SMR. It took a little bit of back and forth. Make sure everything is loose before tightening everything. And when you do, just do a little bit at a time. It took a little bit of time. This system is a little tweaked. It's got an older set of Flowmaster 40s on it. The clearance on the passenger side O2 sensor is very tight, even with having the kit loose and moving it around. We got about a 1/4 inch, if not less, between the O2 sensor and the bell housing. I wish there was a little bit more room. If the bung was clocked another couple of degrees, it would have a little more access. It seems to be okay. Hopefully it won't hit anything. That was a problem with the Pace Setter kit. It was basically right on the cross member. It rubbed through the wires, and it did not seal correctly on the passenger side. Overall, the kit looks very nice. It's a little dark out right now, guys. Sorry about the light. But like I said, just take your time and make sure everything is loose before tightening the bolts, and just do a little bit at a time. Do not attempt to just tighten the head pipes down first and then work your way towards the H-pipe section and then the mufflers. Make sure everything is connected first, and then slowly tighten the bolts a little bit at a time and adjusting as needed. We're going to leave a link in the description for the SMR products. Also, there'll be a link for some of our websites and our other products in the description. Guys, if you found this video useful or helpful, please leave a like and a comment and share. Thank you. I'm Kevin here from Formula Performance.